So hello guys, welcome back to RoboQuad. So in this video we are increasing the power of isd1820 voice recording module. So we from this board we get only 0.5 watt output. So we are increasing it into 12th time. That means we are increasing it into 6 watt. So we can't directly increase the volume of this module, so we are using a voice amplifying board. As you can see, it is one TG113 voice amplifying board, guys, and we need two speakers which are 3 watt into 3 watt forum, and another thing, we are using a battery for power this module, and aux input cable which I have been cut it and soldered with a ground cable and one of them left or right cable. And here we go, guys. So guys, we are desoldering the speakers wire of voice recording module, and I am connecting it into aux cable. And here the result, guys.
Welcome back, sir.
Listen again.
Welcome back, sir.
And here is one of the result.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, guys. Keep supporting.